NewAge is working with Mumbai Fire Brigade since a long. It's a history, and we being a part of the Mumbai Fire Brigade, so always related with NewAge. This expo is itself giving a very good exposure to all the new techniques and everything, and looking at the new products in your this stall. This is a very good thing to learn about the new technology, and we have been already supplied with your hoses and water bowsers, water bowsers. Now you have come with the boom truck also. That is also very good new invention, and it is very nice to learn that it is indigenous product. You have made it in your factory itself. Yeah. You are a family to the fire brigade. Always a family. You have been always supportive to us. Maybe in terms of anything we want, always you are always supportive. So you are a family.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you.